What's up guys, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Pokemon. Today, Generation 3 starters. This is a Patreon request from Dave. So, we have Mudkip, Trico, and Torchic. Okay. So, I'm on a landscape page, use a pencil eraser and hit pause if I go too fast. The middle guy is like behind everyone else, right? So I'm going to start with who's in front. So the blue one and the orange one are out in front. So we start with them, right? Over here on the right hand side, center point here, out, and we start with the eyes. So we're just going to like do an oval line there. And we're going to add a white shine, just like a highlight just here. Okay, and then we go over and we'll do another one. And then a highlight just there. Get them like so. And then the beak up and down in the middle. And we just carve it around. It kind of looks like a UFO. Like that. The mouth will curve around here. The bottom has an extra line. Just there. And then the tongue. Just in there. So the head is real round, just curves all the way around, right? So we take it slow and we just go around like this. Right, and there's a bit of a gap and then it goes down the other side. And we've a big set of feathers up here. Like so, big one here, and then we go around to the edge, back down to there, and then orange on the inside. So you just go around again, kind of just following the shape, like so. So it looks like a flame type maybe. So it's like a foot here or something. So we'll do this side first. So we go spikes out like that, and then this curves around to about there, and there's a foot here. You could draw the same on both sides, but you'd have to erase stuff. So we'll go just with the foot here. 3 toes, 3 bird-like sort of toes. They look a bit spiky on top, so we'll go down that way. Around and up for the last one, like that. And then we can see some more of those flame-like feathers or fur or something here. And the rest of the body maybe just there. So one more foot walking on the ground. Starts like this for the leg. And then toes come out here. Right, so this is like the foot. And then we join 3 toes. 1. Kind of curve around here. 2. And a third. Like so. Okay, so we'll do the blue guy over here first, because the green one is like in between both of them, kind of behind them. So we'll place this guy over here somewhere. We start with the eyes again. So we do like 2 ovals with highlights inside. These highlights are like a little bit smaller. So one there. Do it like that. He's got like little nostrils just there. And then, so a big mouth, right? But he's got these circles on the corners, right? So big mouth here. And then he's got like these big circular things on the edge of his mouth. Like that. And these have like spikes that come off them. Like so. You do pretty much the same thing over here. Maybe a little bit bigger because his head is turned. So one like that. Down into there. And then big spikes. And then his mouth is open, smiling in between. And then his chin just curves around to there. And then the tongue, like so. And then the rest of his head goes up there. And he's got a big fin. So he's like a fish. And this has lines inside. Like so. So for body, he's like on all fours, right? So say the back leg just curves around here. Another leg here. The belly. Third foot kind of sticking out this way. And one more just in behind here, the hind leg there. You can see another line for his belly there. Here for a pink section. And then toes. Now we can see a tail. And this has lines on it. And that's that guy. So that's Mudkip, I think. And we'll do the middle. What's his name? Trico. Probably saying these wrong. So he's like a little crocodile type looking dude. So he's got different eyes, right? So he's got like a frowning sort of line here in the middle. So his head's like in the middle of both these. And then eye curves around like so. And then he has a long iris here with a white shiny highlight there. So his mouth sort of bumps across to his nose. Well, this is like his chin, is it? We'll go for his. So we'll go down that way for his face, right? And then come back up. Like this kind of V shape. And then his mouth, so it's kind of close to his eye. It's more up here. So it bumps around twice and around for the nose. Up to there. And then we got nostrils. We got another line for like pink skin or something there. And the head curves around, goes up this way. We got two bumps on the head here. Like so. And then his eye just in behind here on the other side of the head. So his body has like a pink section and a green section. So the pink section goes down this way, all the way around, back up to the neck, like that. And then there's a curved line here. And then we have one arm that goes like this way behind this character's head. Like so. And then the body will curve down here. And the other arm goes up this way. So 3 round fingers. So you just go 1, 2, and a third, and then the hand just goes down there. 2 legs then, so we got like his knee coming out here. The bottom of that. The heel. And then the toes. So you just carve it around. 1, 2, and a third. And then the leg on this side. So it comes out this way. And then 3 toes. 1, 2, 3 up behind there. And then down like so. Oop. Okay, and I think he's got like a tail. You can just see it going behind the blue character. And then this comes down this way. And I think that is everything. Gen 3 starters. Hope it's helpful. Dave, thanks for the request on Patreon. Anyone else have requested characters I don't normally do, or anything you'd like to see, head over to Patreon, sign up, and I'll get on as quick as I can. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.